Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by linking your EA account to your console and making sure you're signed into your profile. You want to verify that your account is active and up to date so you can receive rewards properly. Step 2. Check the daily login bonus section in the menu. Every single day you log in, you get free cards and coins just for showing up. This is the easiest way to rack up rewards without spending a dime. Step 3. Complete the solo challenges and offline modes available in Ultimate Team. These missions give you packs, training points, and player cards that add up fast. Step 4. Participate in seasonal events and limited-time promotions that pop up throughout the year. Madden releases new challenges constantly, and each one comes with rewards you can claim immediately. Step 5. Join the EA Play subscription service to unlock monthly free packs and bonuses. Even the basic tier gives you access to free rewards that serious players use to build their squads. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your collection grow without spending money on the game.